Hey guys, how's it going? Um, Sorry for not posting anything new lately because of two things have been going on. First thing, I've been working a lot. I got a job over with this really cool retail store, and they had me working almost 40 hours a week, which was awesome because I got myself a good pay. Granted, despite the big pay, I've been having like unexpected hospital bill and computer crash. That's number two. My computer crashed a few weeks before school started, and I'm right now, as you can see, it blacked out a little bit, and I'm still trying to get everything back to the way I like it. And I haven't had a MacBook before. This is my first one, so it's still kind of I'm still learning, the kinks to it. Anyway, so I want to talk to you about. Let's see, I started school today. It was actually I only had one class today, so it was no big deal. But it was for astronomy. Astronomy was so all we did was talk about the syllabus, and she showed us a video of the NASA's 50th anniversary or something like that. She also showed us a picture of, I forgot what it was called. I'm pretty sure some of y'all know what it is. If you want to post it in the comments, that'd be great and help all the others who don't know. But it was basically there's a satellite that was launched yesterday, a couple days ago. I don't remember. And this last satellite, it was showing they had a satellite pointed at a certain area, or like NASA. Our satellites on the ground, it would point in this one direction up in the sky at nighttime, and it wouldn't see any stars or any like galaxies or anything. So that was always been the mysterious section, and where they believed nothing was there at all. It was the black section with nothing there, no stars or anything. So this new satellite that's up there, they had it point at a little section, as my new teacher said, like if you put your hand about an arm's length away, and you pinch your fingers about that much, it's about this satellite took a picture or so of this area, the grain of sand between the spaces right here at the arm's length. And if you think about that, that's I'm sorry. The stupid thing, I'm trying to figure it out. I pushed the button while I was trying to make the screen come back. So anyway, back to what I was going with. Um, Whenever they had that satellite look at that one little section for a period of time, however long it's been out there, it took pictures of stuff that was out there, actually, not just a black space, but of galaxies, kind of like what we're in, the Milky Way. It's like so many vast things, like all over the place and scattered as one little picture. It was so cool. I'm being stupid now. Anyway, so when I was looking at, it got me thinking. I'm sitting there, I'm looking, I'm like, oh my gosh, where are we? You see all these other galaxies in this picture, and it's just so cool and so mysterious, because it kind of makes you wonder, like, there's so many of these, and then there's us, and there's probably like hundreds of thousands of others. I mean, could you wonder, like, where are we? Like, seriously, it's just this big massive space that goes beyond our imagination. And it's just not like before I went to that class, if someone were like, hey, where are you? I'd be like, oh, Earth. But like that really, like, I guess astronomy, whenever I thought about it, it made me think of, it's kind of, at this point, it's like a combination of science, philosophy, theory, and imagination, because like, there's just so much that you can think about. Kind of like how, sorry if I get this wrong, I haven't had history in a couple of years. Kind of like how some of the Europeans migrated in the New World, and there's just kind of like how their mentality, I guess, would be like, oh my gosh, look at all this. There's just so much potential. Like, we could do so many things. I wonder, like, it's a new world. We've never been here before. And just imagine how their imagination was like. That's stupid. Anyway, so yeah, that was my class today. And after class, I came to pick up my computer after it got repaired. I didn't have to pay as much as I thought I was gonna have to pay. And this place I went to was really, like, it was fast service, like, nice. I mean, it was kind service also, and it was pretty affordable. Like I thought when I brought my computer and they said there was a possibility that my hard drive finally crashed, because this is a display computer, and I guess it's like a 2009 model. So I was thinking, okay, so after all that time, the hard drive probably just fell over dead. But fortunately, that wasn't the case. It was just actually, I guess something was wrong with the software, so we got that fixed up and ready to go. It saved me, like, God knows how much money. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna save you the trauma of listening to anything else, because not much has really been going on, other than, worldly crazy stuff, and Rick Perry wanting to run for presidency. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Alright, bye.